Hi there, good afternoon. I am here at Heathrow Airport, near Heathrow Airport. Muslim Airline, Etihad or Idiot Air, I don't know, Wildlife, Heathrow. I seen tanks there wearing sunglasses. Solar City. Today is, according to Islamic calendar, my date of birth, Hajj Day, 26 January 1972. Place of birth, Karachi. Some very shanty town, I don't know, it was a small. I was the only one first child who was not born in the Siamage. Rest of all three. Anyway, there was a reason I said mentioned combined military hospital. Military. How is going on things? So I thought I should make a small video about it, and they are Radisson Hotel. I wish I could stay in the company. Solar City company, renewable energy, military company, police going, aircraft just gone through over the bridge. This is the tunnel. I just moved near here, Heathrow, West Drayton, over there. Over there. Local, lots of English flags, Union Jack flags. Less Uncle John Swaney. Lot of English flags are there. Yeah. Man, which was granted back in 2010. They are especially staring at me, grammatically incorrect now. Lot of whites, Pakistani, Indian, all. Honest to God. Today's Belgium accident happened now. Magical. Guess what, my international audience? I booked a ticket to Pakistan. I booked a ticket. Yeah, I booked a ticket to Pakistan. Just a book a ticket. I can cancel it. It won't cost me much actually. There was a special offer going on. I was checking. When the summer holidays, then ticket will be expensive. So I want to try to avoid that time. School holidays one. So I would have a proper cheaper ticket, and otherwise they were coming. I was checking online. That's last night I did that. I thought I would give surprise to my mother. She is on the deathbed. I wish I can see her or can do something about her. But she want me to see. I don't know. What should I do? But she want me to see, like maybe last. But I don't want to, think about that thing. But still, I will go for a quick. So I bought a very cheap ticket actually, and I can refund it. It won't cost me. Cancellation fee is very minimal. And guess what airline? Ertugrul Ghazi? No, Erdogan. Some Turkish. Man, this is COP 31 gonna be. I will see that via Istanbul. My Mehdi will come from Istanbul. Sunglasses. I was saying, yeah. So, what's going on? The message is here. We don't like you, but something going on. Speak the shit out and speak English and do something. One white guy just passed by. I mean, if he throw a punch, I will be knocked off there and then. If not killed. Big military operation is military. I don't know. Which that's all dark web going on. My British, starting from white lovely people, original. The inshallah who will drive electric cars, electric. Their prosperity will go much more. Inshallah ta'ala. Islam problem, skin problem. Muslim don't like me. Pakistani don't, Indian don't like me. Blacks don't like me. What the fuck is going on? Russian don't like me. Ukrainian don't like me. Footballers don't like me. Cricket going on. There's a sports happen in Belgium. Belgium sports happen. Sports happen. Rolly Walker going for walk. Mark Rolly, oh, you're London. I had a plan to go to. Today is my birthday according to Islamic calendar. Prophecy wise, I was just checking. Pretty Patel gutter na blast happened. Methane blast happened. 2020. 3rd December. That's my second daughter. Alia Nisa Rizwan's birthday. 3rd December 1998. Alia Nisa Rizwan. I don't know who's banging her. British national law. British, I can't do anything anyway. I don't want to talk about the justice of my daughters, especially adult daughters. I hope. What should I celebrate? They're alive, or I don't know which condition. Intense competition with their dad isn't it? A little that they know that. Model is their dad. Beautiful model. Milana, Bushra Begum. Lot of models. Dubai model, Brathal, Anna Chopperman. Where that came from? Yeah. So blast happened. People died in England. That was a conspiracy. Looking at me. Sports going on now. We're not gonna do something more about it. Other than giving looks still. Only heard that. Conspiracy theory, no? I'm saying here, I'm gonna put on a YouTube. Mental illness, you wanna kill someone? No. You're gonna kill yourself? No. Mental illness, arrest him. Do something about it. We'll talk about that later on. 2016, that was incident. No, they forwarded me to local mental health. What's that? Where that came from? Many mental health. That's Nazi even said that. When they said during the war, they said they are gone mad when they were committing a Holocaust. Another, even their own, they were saying mad doctor, mutually assisted destruction. Imam Mahdi. There is a stock exchange. Moody's, mad mood. My international audience, if you finding no correlation, please forgive me or ask me. The actual YouTubers, they are all from dark web. Minute I'm uploaded, maybe I'm talking now, they're listening now. That's their internet. Where is Solar City? I put on YouTube, I put on Kindle, another Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Twitter, what's that? XX, yeah. I don't want to build that thing. More interested in this or getting caught. That's a business sports you're doing. School children died now. That's magic happened. Suicide happened. Mental illness happened. You forget to take the medicine. Bus driver. That's supposed to be my train, inshallah ta'ala. No barrier crosses. Need a bridge. There must be a bridge there. Required. They did not build a bridge. They were saving money. Children died. Now they're gonna build a bridge. But that train craft carrier is kind of a semi-bridge. But you don't acquire a land. The wildlife can go through in it. That's my another invention. Train-free one. Train is train-free one. Poetry. Far more advanced than maglev, HGV. Bullet train. For cheap, much cheaper to build. Maglev. Much cheaper. There was a massage in train craft. I submitted patent long ago. 2019, there was a Danish beer can accident happened. They communicate, isn't it? Portuguese victims, especially who died, the died family ones. Sports going on. Football is coming. Football coming home. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I will make a next video soon after. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. No, I do know. If someone asks me if I YouTube. Bye bye.